Well, in a grand ceremony held in New Delhi today, the 70th National Film Awards were conferred by the Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu. This prestigious ceremony, the awards, celebrate excellence in Indian cinema, recognizing outstanding achievements across feature films, non-feature films, as well as writing in cinema. And this report, in fact, gives us an idea of what happened.
The 70th National Film Awards for the year 2022 were conferred in New Delhi on Tuesday by India's President Draupadi Murmu. The prestigious award celebrates outstanding achievements in Indian cinema, recognizing excellence across a wide range of categories including feature films, non-feature films and writing on cinema.
हमारी फिल्में हमारी समाज के कलाबोध को प्रदर्शित करती है। जीवन बदल रहा है, कला के प्रतिमान बदल रही है, नई आकांक्षाएं जन्म ले रही है, नई समस्याएं सामने आ रही है, नई जागरूकता भी पैदा हो रही है। इन सभी बदलावों के बीच आपसी प्रेम, करुणा और सेवा के कभी न बदलने वाले जीवन मूल्य आज भी हमारे व्यक्तिगत और सामूहिक जीवन को सार्थक बना रहे हैं।
The most prestigious award, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, was conferred to Indian actor Mithun Chakrabarti.
Being a superlative acting prowess, 5 decades of excellence, the dream of...
The award for Best Music Direction for PS1 went to A.R. Rahman.
The visionary Indian composer presents an audacious...
Celebrating this glorious achievement, legendary singer A.R. Rahman said that he is really happy to receive this award and spoke on transformational journey of Indian cinema.
And that's not saying...
Right now, everything seems to be 10x and 20x because the quality of the filmmaking has gone up. I mean, it's evolving, so it's a great time to be in.
The Best Actor Award went to Rishabh Shetty, Kantara, while the Best Actress went to Mansi Parekh and Nithya Menon. Rishabh Shetty said that this is a moment of double delight because we are getting 2 awards.
We proud of this moment. So, हमारे देश का filmmakers को national award बहुत बड़ा award है.
While Mansi Parekh said that sharing an award with Nithya is big and the film for which she is getting the award depicts diversity in cinema.
This is the year of regional cinema, and the fact that regional cinema is getting this amazing limelight because of the national awards, because for us national awards are like the Oscars.
Actors also shared their delight on India's first ever Waves Summit.
So beautifully that we actually match global standards, and I think there's no messaging really. It's just an endeavor from our end to kind of raise the bar of Indian cinema where it comes to technology and graphics, and I think but the real true hero is his brain and the vision that came from there.
Present on the occasion were Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Railways and Electronics and Information Technology, Ashwini Vaishnav, along with Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, Dr. L. Murugan, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Sanjay Jaju, and Joint Secretary Films, Vrunda Desai. Celebrating the glorious achievement, the President of India congratulated all the winners and expressed her happiness.